The side-lying dumbbell raise is an exercise that primarily targets the lateral delts on the side of the shoulders. This lying setup on the bench stabilizes the body and allows for a full range of motion while also providing a lot of tension when the delt is in this stretched position. Here's how to do it correctly. Lie on your side on a flat bench with your legs extended and stacked with your bottom hand pressed into the floor to provide extra stability. Hold a dumbbell in your top hand with your palm facing your body and extend it towards the floor in front of your body. With your core contracted for stability, raise the dumbbell up and away from your body and out to the side while keeping a slight bend in your elbow. Continue raising the dumbbell until your arms form the letter T with your body. Pause briefly at the top to feel the contraction in your side deltoid. Slowly lower the dumbbell back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Initiate each rep by contracting the muscles in the shoulder while avoiding swinging the weight. Repeat all the reps on one arm, then flip sides and repeat with the other arm. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.